Step 1. CV modification. I eliminated my PhD in astrophysics and my master's degree in quantum fields and fundamental forces. I omitted professional publications and former employment positions such as NASA consultant. Then I highlighted previous employment experiences from 14 years ago at Starbucks and at Bath & Body Works. I made sure it was evident, by a quick glance at my CV, that I was indeed qualified to stir coffee and chocolate together. Now I was ready to apply for a cashier position at the Shaken Coffee House. Stay tuned for part 2.